what's up ladies? Today, we're gonna have, as promised, on a monthly basis, magkakaroon ako ng favorite stocks. Ibig sabihin, favorite lipsticks. I'm done with the favorite lipstick. But now, I will have my favorite BB cream. Hindi ko alam, for a span of a year, yata. This is my ultimate favorite. Yung iba bago. Some are new, but some are old. So today, we'll have my top 5 most favorite BB cream of all time. Let's continue on with my favorite BB cream for all season, all time, charot, for a year. So the top 5 in my favorite BB cream is this Avon Skin Goodness BB cream with moisturizing plus with SPF of 20 PA plus. Ito siya. I actually did a review on this. I will link that in the description box. Actually, lahat ng i-include ko in this top 5 BB cream para sa akin will be, actually meron na silang review, but merong isa na wala pang review, pero I will have that really soon. So this is my top 5. Actually guys, this is really moisturizing, pero itong BB cream na to, it will not contribute on the oil that you have on your skin. Tamang-tama lang siya. What I love about this is that every time na medyo malamig, ito yung ginagamit ko kasi ayun nga, moisturizing siya at the same time, inaalis niya, hindi siya yung, kasi pag malamig yung season, medyo nagkakaroon ako ng dry patches eh. So, the tendency is that, pag naglalagay ako ng BB cream or foundation, yung ganon, na-emphasize siya. But with this product, because it's moisturizing, hindi siya masyadong, nakikita, if you know what I mean. And also, itong product na to, it's not that full coverage eh. When you use this, it's very glowing sa skin. Ganon yung effect niya. Kasi most of the BB cream already have like very tinted very tinted na sila. But this one, hindi siya ganon ka-tinted. I will show you on my arms. Ito siya. So, when you blend this, ayan, para siyang moisturizer talaga. Pero meron siyang sheen of, meron siyang a little sheen that will brighten the skin. Medyo iba siya sa aking kutis ngayon kasi tan nga ako. But, it's really radiant. Ang ganda nitong BB cream na to. But, I suggest you guys, kung oily kayo, don't use this pag sobrang init kasi talagang it will sweat on you. But, yung formulation niya, yung radiant, yung glow na binibigay niya sa skin nyo, well, trusted tong product na to kasi it's really radiant. Paggamit ko talagang blooming ang peg ko. Tapos, it has SPF 20 also that will help you in sun protection as well. But if you guys are more on a matte or drier skin, preferably gamitin nyo to kasi you will love the product. So, that is my top 5 in my BB cream. So, the top 4 naman in my favorite BB cream for a year is this EB Advanced BB Cream The Whitening. Ito naman, what I love about this, guys, is that when you're oily, maganda tong produktong to kasi talagang it will help you maintaining the matte in your face. So, super matte ka with this product. Kaya lang, hindi siya as glowing as this one kasi ito talagang blank, blank matte ang dating nyo. At ang ganda ng pigmentation nito, parang, pag ito gamit ko talagang parang foundation na kasi talagang it covers well. Maganda siya pang cover. You see how pigmented it is. Parang foundation na yung consistency niya. And pag in-apply nyo sa face nyo, talagang it will mattify your face. A little goes a long way with this product. Talagang konti lang. And maganda na siya. I mean, it will cover up and konti lang. Yun lang. Yun lang ang problema sa kanya. Wala siya masyadong glow. Wala siya masyadong radiant. Kasi ako, for a BB cream, gusto ko yung medyo, yun kasi yung nabibigay sa akin ng BB cream. That's why I love BB cream. It's that because yung meron na siyang benefits na binibigay sa inyo. Plus, it's very glowing. Ganun yung BB cream kasi. It's very radiant. Tas a little tint lang. And very natural looking. Ganun yung mga gustong-gusto ko. So, BB cream talaga is a thumbs up for me. So, eto siya. And also, yung shade nito is yellow undertone. So, very suited siya for Filipina shade or Filipina tone. So, yun. That's why I love this kasi, and as you know, I have an oily skin. So, it complements the skin type that I have. So, yun ang aking top 4 BB cream. And let's continue on with the top 3 BB cream. And that is yung aking Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB Cream and Concealer. I actually didn't like the concealer at all. So, pero yung BB cream gustong gusto ko. Why? Because it has SPF 30 already. Plus, it's very glowing sa skin. Incomparable sa aking EV Advance. Ito, parang medium ko. Kasi yung BB cream ng EV Advance, medyo parang full coverage ang peg niya. But this one, hindi masyado. Tamang-tama lang. Parang it will still, it still have that peek through ng skin nyo, but it perfects it, if you know what I mean. Yung parang, kita pa rin yung original skin nyo, pero pine-perfect niya. And also, this is suited for those who have oily skin, kaya gustong-gusto ko to. At ang bango nito, sobrang bango nito. Ang sarap nung amoy niya, parang very relaxing yung amoy niya, very social ang amoy. Sobra. So, at pag nagseto sa skin nyo, it will turn into powder. Kaya gustong-gusto ko to kasi talagang it will help you throughout if you are oily. Plus, kung hindi man kayo oily, ganun din siya. It will not emphasize the dry patches that you have. It will not dry your skin kung dry kayo. Pag oily naman kayo, it will not oil up on you. So, I super love it. At saka yun nga, yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung parang natural skin nyo lang siya pag in-apply nyo sa face nyo. And, kaya super love ko to. As in, super love ko to. And this is also very affordable. I think this is 225, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is 195 yata sa Avon. I forgot to tell the price. Etong EV Advance 195 sa Pure Gold ko naman to binili. And this one naman from Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover, this is 220 or 225 pesos. Etong mga products na to, absolutely you will see it around our supermarket, around our department store. So very accommodating sila bilhin. You will not have a hard time finding them. So, ayan siya. Very see? Very glowing na siya. Very natural looking. It will not look cakey on you. And ang ganda-ganda niya for oily skin, for non-oily skin, or for dry skin. Ang ganda-ganda niya. And it will turn into powder. As you can see, powdery na siya. So, I super love this. A must try for you guys. So, go ahead. And this is my top 3. Now, let's continue on with my top 2 favorite BB cream. And is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. Alam nyo, pangalawang bottle ko na nito or pangalawang tube ko na nito. And I super love this. Etong BB cream na to will give you a little of both worlds. What I mean by that is that it is mattifying. Minamattify niya yung skin nyo, but it's not that matte when you wear it. Ibig sabihin, you still have that glow, your skin looks so radiant. Ang ganda nitong product na to, as in, I cannot live without it. As in, pangalawang bottle ko na, I will show you. Pag nilagay nyo siya, white lang siya, and it has a little beads on it. Tapos, pag blenden nyo siya, it will blend on your skin. See? Wala na yung white, and it will blend kung anong shade kayo. There you have it. It's very, very radiant sa skin. As in, again, etong produktong to give you the best of two worlds. It will mattify you, but you're not that mattify, if you know what I mean. Parang glowing siya, radiant. It will give you a blooming face. Ang ganda-ganda-ganda niya. As in, a must try. Wala yata to sa L'Oreal counter. Hindi ako sure, but I will research on that. Again, all of the products will be in the description box and all of the details. I'm not really sure kung meron ito sa counter ng L'Oreal sa department store, but I bought this one online kasi it's much cheaper there. And I will link kung saan ko sila saan ko to binili sa description box for you guys to check it out. But I super love it kasi it will give you a good skin. And also, I did a review lahat ng product ng aking top 4 or yung top 5, top 4, top 3. At saka ito, I have a review on those on these products. I will link that in the description box as well. So, ito yung aking top 2 kasi thumbs up. my top 1 BB cream is this Muse or Mousse BB cream. I mean the color light beige. This has SPF 50 PA+++, a plus points. Kasi ano pang gugustuhin nyo sa BB cream? Yun nga eh, kasi nagbibigay ang BB cream ng benefits sa skin nyo. Anti-aging, it has moisturizing. Ito with SPF 50 guys. And additional plus pa sa PA niya. So, and this will give you a radiant, matte, sun protected, lahat na nasa kanya. It comes in this little tube right here. This is only 109 pesos that you can avail in Mercury Drugstore, guys. Very mura na siya and it's very good sa skin. Alam nyo guys, ito yung aking pinaka go-to BB cream there is. As in, pag pumunta ako sa palengke, namimili ako ng aking mga baking products kasi sobrang init. And usually, nagmomotor lang ako. It will protect me on the sun. After ko itong apply at the night time, ganun pa rin yung kulay ng mukha ko. So, what can you request in a BB cream na meron na lahat? Radiant na siya, glowing, it has benefit, plus it has SPF 50+++. Ano ba? At ang amoy nito, mamamatay ka sa amoy sa sobrang bango niya. Ganun talaga yung itsura ko. Kasi ganun siya kabango. As in, ang bango-bango niya. And, it's very natural looking sa skin. You will not have a white cast. Ang ganda ng kutis mo. It will perfect your skin. Benefits. Wala ka nang masasabi sa produktong to. And it's very affordable. Kaya lang, ang problema sa kanya, you can only buy this in Mercury Drug as of the moment. So, a must try for you guys if you're looking for a go-to BB cream. This little guy right here is a big, pwede bang doblehin na ng thumbs up yan? 2 thumbs up for this product. So, yun. So guys, that's it for my top 5 favorite BB cream for this year. So, I hope you guys go ahead and try or pick a product that will best suited for you. Basically, guys, lahat ng produktong to is very good. As in, very good. Especially my top 1 and my top 2 favorite BB cream. It's a big top sum for me. Kung hindi lang ako kailangan mamili ng top 1, etong dalawang to are the best BB cream there is. Kaya lang yung isa kasi walang SPF, yung isa meron. So, yun ang naging top 1 ko kasi it has additional benefit on the skin. So, basically guys, if you want to choose one, go ahead and all the details of these products will be in the description box. So, go ahead and check it out. If you love this product, if you love this video, and if you want to have more videos like this video, and also, kung hindi ba kayo subscribe sa channel ko, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Subscribe na! Super fairy ang peg. So, that's it for this video. If you haven't followed me in my social media account, I'll be linking that in the description box. My Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat will be there. And basically, that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And have a great day and a happy day too. Bye! I'll see you soon!